This video is going to address some messed up QuickBooks because QuickBooks can get messy and can get messy fast. But here's a 5-step catch-up and reset process that you can go through to clean it all up and start fresh. QuickBooks is messed up. Categories are wrong, entries are duplicated, and now you don't trust any of your reports. Here's the fastest way to blow it all up and rebuild it right without starting from zero. I'm Bill Hubbard. I've rebuilt QuickBooks for contractors who thought it was ruined. It's almost never as bad as you think, and it's almost always fixable with some hard work and correct focus. QuickBooks doesn't break, but it does get messy, and I mean gets messy fast. Someone codes an entry wrong and nobody catches it. You use the wrong account for 6 months. You have old categories from 2020 still showing up. Then you run a report and nothing makes sense. So you either stop looking at your reports altogether, or you spend hours trying to figure where the problem is. Both options are terrible. But here's a systematic reset. There are 5 steps and you have to do them in order. Step 1, block all entries before today. Go into QuickBooks, find the last day that you're confident things were right, maybe the last tax return, maybe 3 months ago. Set that as your close date. Nothing before that date can be changed without a password. This stops you from accidentally tweaking historical entries while you're trying to fix new ones. Now step 2, audit your chart of accounts. Go through every single account you have. If you haven't used it in a year, delete it. If accounts are duplicated, 2 materials accounts or 3 labor accounts, consolidate them into one. You want clean and simple. Most contractors have way more accounts than they need. Same thing with small businesses, of course. Step 3, create a mapping document. On a spreadsheet, write down every account that should exist in the order that they should appear in your reports. This becomes your reference. Now, when you're entering new transactions, you use this list, not your gut. Step 4, run an aged transaction report for the last 90 days. Print it out or save it. Go through line by line. If an entry is in the wrong account, correct it. If it's duplicated, delete the duplicate. This takes time, maybe 2 or 4 hours for a small business, but this is where you fix the actual mess. The last step, step 5, reconcile your bank account to the penny. Match every single entry on your bank statement as an entry in QuickBooks. This is tedious, but when you find a discrepancy, you found a problem area and a problem entry. Fix it. When your bank reconciliation balances, you know your QuickBooks data is clean. After that, the job is just keeping it clean going forward. One person enters transactions, another person reviews them weekly, and you reconcile to the bank every month. 15 minutes a week beats 40 hours of cleanup later. Your numbers are only good if you trust them. Make them trustworthy. Make it and keep it. I'm Bill Hubbard. See you the next time.